rowdy type you see all the time in schools. Though, I can tell there's more to him than meets the eye. He's got a gift in those legs of his, no doubt. Shame he wastes that talent brawling instead of doing something greater.
You're out of line. Look closer. Well... Look closer. Look closer. End of the line. Well... You're out of line. Well... You're out of line. Win! Well... Win! Well... What a holdup that was.
Hey, Destin. Briar? These days, though, he just puts all that talent into picking fights. I want to believe he's still a good kid deep down, but yeah. Even the other 8th grade teachers don't quite know what to make of him. Briar? Bloomhurst? You know what they say, let sleeping dogs lie.
Know more about that eyesore, Briar? Careful, you're biting off more than you can chew. Word is, he even picks fights with street punks. Guys a lost cause. No doubt.
Doesn't look it, but he used to be real athletic. What sport? Beats me.
Who, Briar? Yeah, don't even think about crossing him.
Briar, huh? If it weren't for their backing.
Briar, you say? He's a scary one, all right. Then in that sense, he's a bit better than the punks you usually see hanging around convenience stores.
I thought it'd be a shame if you...
You again?
You used to be top of your class and an incredible athlete, especially in football, where you were held in high regard. And now, just a year later, everyone around here just sees you as a blight.
What's that got to do with you? I told you to butt out of my life.
I want to know what happened. As thanks for breaking up the fight, would you please tell me?
You came and interfered on your own. You will never get it. In my house, my old man's word is absolute. The school I go to, the lessons I take, even my friends, my parents decide it all. My entire life has been set by their path. I've never had the right to choose.
So that's why you're trying to get yourself expelled by walking this thorny path. But the school won't kick you out because your parents have made huge donations. So why did you quit football?
Huh? I didn't quit. It was ripped away from me. Football was my last line of defense. But my father said a brutal, barbaric sport like that was out of the question. Said I should take up something more gentlemanly, like tennis. But now, I can't feel passionate about anything. After all, if he thinks that's worthless too, it'll just get yanked away again.
Taken from you. So that's what happened. And just like that, you abandoned football?
Yeah. After all, a parent's word is law. Even if I tell you all this, it's not like it'll change anything. Anyway, now that you know, you can stay out of my way.
Probably for the best. Football is just a meaningless pursuit anyway. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Glad I could hear your side of the story. Why am I so irritated? Anyway, I guess I'll head home.